Good day, great people. I'm super excited to come across you guys wherever you are in Africa, wherever you are in the world. I'm happy to come across you guys. This video today is all about how you can do importation from China from one of the cheapest online store you can ever think about. Okay, we have a lot of stores that are online. We have Alibaba, we have AliExpress. We have a lot of them online, but I'm talking of a site whereby you can get goods that are so cheap, goods on various quality that you can ship to your country, and from there you make good returns. This message is very good for those in Africa, especially because of the economic backdrop that we're having. You can ship goods and you can start having your own profit from that very business. You can start your own mini importation business from this online shop. In fact, this very shop as I'm talking about is the shop that many other online shops depend on. They buy from this very online shop in wholesale, in retail, and they sell back to people. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, so in a moment I'll be sharing my screen with you people. Okay, thank you. Please stay glued. If you are not subscribed to this very channel, please tell others so that others can also benefit from this very channel. You don't have to keep it, share it, let others benefit from what we are doing in this very channel. Remain blessed. You are welcome to the best and cheapest online sourcing sites. Though if you have a better one, you can also drop it on your comment in the comment section below. Okay, but for now, this is where I buy all my goods from China. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to navigate in this very app. So I'm going to use Google browser, and I've opened Google browser. So what you need to do is to enter the name of the site, which is 1688 www.1688.com, and you click go. So the site has opened. Okay, but as you can see, the site is mainly on China language. The site is in China language. Okay, so you will be able to understand anything inside, except you are somebody from China or you are somebody who have studied China language. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to navigate around this very website. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever we have a new video. Please also share it so that others can also learn, because we are doing all these things here to support people. Okay, so first and foremost, for you to be able to understand the language, you are going to translate it. So you are going to click at the top part of the screen, the arrow at the top part of the screen. You click on it, and there you see where it is written so you click on the top right part of it. You see this three button. Okay, that is the menu. When you click on it, you see translate. You click on translate. Okay, and there you translate to any language of your choice. Like mine, I'm translating to English, so I'm going to click on the options below here. I'm going to click always translate pages in China simplified. Okay, and everything going forward will be on China to English. Okay, so you can see, so you can choose any of your goods that you want to buy. Then for you to able to search, you can put the name of anything you want to buy. Let's say for instance you want to buy Bluetooth earpiece. Okay, you put it on the search bar, Bluetooth earpiece, and you click find. So you see all type of Bluetooth. Okay, but you can see it's still on. It has returned back to China. So you repeat that the same process again by clicking on the three dotted button at the top right of the screen. It will translate back to English, and you click down. So you can see it has gone to English now. Okay, this is one part of it. Okay, but let's say assume you have a particular image of objects or item that you want to buy or search on. Let's say you love that particular item, because this is a secret I'm telling you now. You see a particular item you want to buy, you're not just seeing it, but you want to know the cheapest or the best that you get from that very particular item. That is when you now use your picture to search. Okay, so for you to be able to activate the camera so that you'll be able to search the item on your phone, you have the image on your phone, you want to search for various stores that have that very item, you want to check the one that is cheaper or the most quality one. Okay, so that is where you now activate your camera. So you do the same thing by clicking on the top three lines on the top of your screen, which is the menu. You click on it and you find desktop site. You click on that, you check that button. Okay, so everything will go to the computer version in your phone. Okay, so when you are browsing from your phone, from your laptop or your computer, you don't need to go to the desktop setting. Okay, because it's in desktop format already, your laptop and desktop. But if you want your phone to work as if you are using your laptop on computer, that is when you activate this desktop site. Okay, so now let's refresh because the network is a bit slow now. Let's refresh so that it fully opened. Okay, the page has fully opened. Okay, you have something like this. Now from what you can see now, there's something that is different in this page now. It has now opened in the desktop version. Okay, what I mean by desktop version, this is how the site will look like when you open it in your laptop or in your desktop. Okay, so your phone now is now operating as if it is desktop or computer. So you can see something strange or different in this screen now. You can see that there's a camera symbol at the top. Okay, that camera symbol is used. Okay, this is it. Now you use that camera symbol whenever you want to search for item that is in your phone. Okay, so let's do the demonstration now. Okay, click on it and your image will open. Okay, so let me look for a particular item to search. Let's say you want to search for this particular solar fan. Okay, solar fan, you click on it. No, it has clicked and you click done. So the site will search on that particular item now. Okay, it's loading, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's loading. So you can understand what I mean now. You can see that the image of that very fan, that solar fan, has come up. So you cannot see that there are different prices, okay, on it. So let's translate this page again by clicking on the menu and translate. Okay, so you can see, we can see everything now in English. Okay, so from here you'll be able to see the price, the purchasing rate. You can see the repurchasing rate. You can see everything about the pages. Each of the item that comes out, you can see the rating of people on it, the number of years that the company have been on that side. You can see the first one. You can see that very particular store has been around for the past 1 year. Okay, the second one is 6 years, and the third one from the top is 1 year. You can see various rating about that product and the price. So you cannot choose. Let's say for instance you saw a particular item at 159, but now you are not seeing it at 135. I think it's cheaper. So the camera will give you different options of the best price, the best rating for you to have, for you to choose from by using camera search. So there are a lot of advantages in using that camera. So other related objects will also come up. You can also see this very particular 136 yuan. That is just fan without a solar panel. Okay, so you will now go through them and make a choice from this item. Okay, so this what I have for today. So please expect our next video, okay, by subscribing to this channel so that whenever we put a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also tell others about this very particular channel. Okay, thank you.